We are outraged and deeply saddened by the brutal violation of a 7-year-old child at EBergview College in Matatiele. This abhorrent crime underscores the relentless scourge of GBV that continues to plague our nation. It is a moral indictment on our society that predators still find refuge in institutions meant to safeguard children. Even more disgraceful is the involvement of organizations like AfriForum, who shield suspects rather than standing for justice. In moments of such horror, there is no race, no politics, only humanity, Ubuntu. We demand the arrest and prosecution of all involved and call on the police for swift, thorough action.